A seed. It's the foundation that your entire farm is based upon. In the right conditions, this seed will grow into a strong, hardy crop. And now, increasing the potential of this seed's growth is possible by a selection process that is matched with the growing conditions. Modern science shows that soil properties can fluctuate greatly, not just region to region, but field to field. To maximize yield potential, growers must implement a system that works with the variations in the soil. Utilizing exclusive BRANDT technologies in a web-based system, Seed Rx pulls records both past and present to make detailed recommendations that are customized to environmental factors in your field. Prior to Seed Rx technology, seeding programs did not identify with precision where soil properties were fluctuating, such as field fertility levels, drainage conditions, soil textures, and mineralization zones. Instead, they had to rely on data that broadly assessed farmland over miles instead of acres. Without matching seed hybrids to the field conditions, some plants were unable to develop properly and yield was thereby compromised. Additionally, population rates were not adjusted properly, if at all, which led to overutilization of seed in poor growing areas and not using enough seed in optimal regions. With Seed Rx, growers are now able to match population and hybrid seeds to the field's soil productivity. Utilizing aptitude equipment and years of data mining expertise, the Seed Rx system builds recommendations that place hybrids in the proper zones, maximizing each field's true yield potential. The Seed Rx system is based on technology that groups seed varieties into phenotypes. A phenotype is the set of physical characteristics like height, root type, or ear placement that result from the plant's genetic makeup. The differences in characteristics give each phenotype a specific advantage in certain zones, which allows seed type to be effectively matched to the field based on field fertility levels, drainage conditions, soil textures, and mineralization. This system provides a customized plan that is unique to each field. Growers begin by inputting key information from their fields into Seed Rx. This data is collected and organized in BASE, a repository of regional data, and then gets incorporated with proprietary BRANDT technologies in a web-based system. Seed Rx also draws data from past records, such as soil type, current row width, normal population rate, and a GPS soil test to get an accurate snapshot of a field's various zones. Seed Rx continues by collecting and layering a broad range of integrated data, including previous yield and/or imagery, mineralization, soil nutrient availability, applied nutrients, variable rate population range, and variance in population. With an itemized image of the field's specific needs, Seed Rx makes a custom planting recommendation that details which hybrid variety is suited for each zone. Soil productivity is also analyzed to determine the most efficient population rate for each area, thereby avoiding waste in low-performing areas and utilizing the high-performing areas to their full potential.